The strawberry kiwi Sprite chill. It's new, but if you had it, let me know how you liked it. Let me know if it was good or not. Y'all, I hope that it's good. Please don't fail me, Sprite. All right, y'all. Smells good. Cheers. Hold on, y'all, I'm gonna try it again. Oh, excuse me. All right, y'all. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to see what it even tastes like. Hold on, wait. Oh, excuse me. Let me try it again. I don't know if y'all can hear my son in that because he is playing. He be so loud. Oh, my goodness. Excuse me. Woo! Y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all did for Mother's Day. If y'all are mothers, or what y'all did for y'all mothers for Mother's Day. Y'all, I'm going to tell y'all what this tastes like, okay? Give me a second. I'm about to let y'all know. I'm so full, y'all ate down today. Your girl had a good plate. Oh my gosh. Woo, excuse me. Alright, y'all. I don't taste no kiwi. I only taste strawberry. It literally tastes like a strawberry Sprite. And I'm going to tell y'all, I wish that it was just strawberry. Because that strawberry tastes so good, y'all. But it's not like... Ooh, excuse me. Oh my goodness, mid-conversation, y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm burping like crazy, okay? But y'all, I wish that it was just strawberry. I want them to come out with just a strawberry Sprite. Hold that kiwi. I don't need that kiwi. But the strawberry tastes really good, y'all. I think a mosquito might have got your girl back. Because my back is itching. But y'all, this right here is actually good. It's not bad, but it's not like a strong, like strawberry. Like I said, I don't taste the kiwi at all. But to me, it's not a strong strawberry taste either. I just want a strawberry Sprite. I know if they just did a strawberry Sprite, it's going to be killer.